Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect this to a Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire TV stick. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and click on the home button on the remote. And then from here you want to navigate to the gear icon. So we're just going to keep on moving over to the right. Once you're there, we're going to go ahead and move down. And we're going to go directly to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select that. From here, go down to other Bluetooth devices, select it. Go all the way down again to add Bluetooth devices, select it. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these in pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let me open these up and you'll know that these are in pairing mode if it's blinking a white light there, all right? I'm not getting no white light on here at all. I get a green light. The reason is because I'm connected to another one of my other phones. So let me manually put this into pairing mode. Okay, so let me close the lid first. Let me wait, and then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to double tap this invisible button right there. Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go over here. Is it still searching? I think it's still searching here. You know what? Let me just go down to cancel, and I'll rescan. Okay, add Bluetooth devices again. And now, okay. Oh, there it is right there. Now it pops up AirPods Pro right there. Let's go ahead and select that. I just heard a chime on the earbuds and it said it is connected. And there you go. We're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.